Hey guys, we're back here with Recycled and Saved, and we have a 2009 CRF 450. I'm not the best at starting bikes, so I have it running before the video starts, so hopefully that's okay with you guys. But here's the running bike. The kill switch for you, just so you know it stops, and it's not just fake audio. There it is. So with the extra parts we have today, we've got a full plastic set going on. We've got the OEM exhaust and the OEM radiator hoses. You can see on the bike, we've got some blue radiator hoses. We've got the Yosh system with the header and the pipe. We've got the hot cams, camshaft, the Gorilla rod. We've got the manual and a couple other extra parts. The linkage, the aftermarket linkage is on the bike. We've got some beautiful black Tusk impact rims. What else do we have on this bike? We've got a Works connection front suspension and factory connection, my bad. Factory connection front and rear suspension kit. Man, what else did we have on this bike? But yeah, so as you can see, it's a running bike. It's 2009 CRF 450. Yeah, I think I went over all of the aftermarket parts. So if you guys see anything you like, let us know. Our contact info is going to be in the description right below. Have a great day. Thanks for the watch.